replacing these windows. I got 7 of them. They got a slope seal on that front edge. They're all pretty shot, just leaking air and everything through them. So this is me. Got it all torn out. You can see that slope seal. Everything just rotted out. Just taking it out and cleaning it up a little bit. After it's all cleaned out, I just threw the window in there. Try to get it a little level. Use some shims. You'll see that in a second. I left all the new window flashing on there. It fit pretty perfectly in there, so with a couple millimeters, couple inches, some places with gaps. But I'm just gonna use some spray foam in there. So here I got all the shims up. I got pretty snug in place. Got it all level on all the sides. Check the other side too. And then I just used the rotor hammer to zip it. It was a side mount. There was no top screws or bottom screws, so I just had to slowly go through a cinder block wall, which was very shoddy. There's that rotor hammer. I just didn't, make sure not to over tighten them. Pull that window frame out so it would slide easily. Here's it all mounted up. There's still a lot of gaps, but I'm just gonna use some spray foam, make sure the window slides easily. Make sure I didn't pull on that frame at all. And then I use that window and door stuff so it doesn't expand, making it so I can't open the window. This was the last one that I did. I did 7 more. Here's that, how it looks like after a spray foam. I just cut it down with a sharp razor. There's all 7 of them. After the spray foam all dried up, I just cut it all out. And I threw some mortar mix in there. I didn't really like the way it turned out. Did not blend very well. So I might try something else next time. Didn't do a top plate. And here's the rest of them. I don't think it looked too bad with that seal. I just caulked everything, put some liquid nails to attach it to the cinder block wall. There's that last one, what it looks like before all the trim.